So it's a little bit of call and response. Again, back to what I was saying. So you kind of have 4 bars of his stuff, 4 bars of my stuff, 4 bars of his stuff, 4 bars of my stuff going on here.
Let's talk about that. So let's play his part and let's play your part.
Yeah, so this is his section of it first. So good. So that's his bit, and then we go into mine here, which is... And he arranged that all, but I think it's really cool how that worked out, because it's like, okay, so you get a little bit of back and forth going on here with just the sounds that we decided to use.
You know, that's a really cool collaboration tip, is like when you're building a drop with each other, you basically have sections of the drop calling and responding with the 2 collaborators. I think that's actually really, really cool.
So what was fun about this for me was when we were doing this drop, what I basically got to do was take all of his drop elements that he used previously and rearrange them into this drop. So I took all his stuff and just like messed with those elements to make this 3rd drop here. That was a lot of fun, because it's kind of like you're remixing your own song at that point, you know?
That's so cool, man. That's so cool.
What's up, DAW Nation? You just watched a quick tip from our In the DAW episode with Slippy, which, by the way, if you want to watch the full episode, you can go ahead and click up over in this top right corner. Okay, go ahead and just click right here, right now, and you can watch that full episode. Also, down in the description, you can click a link that will take you to the full episode, as well as down in the comments, the top pinned comment, there is going to be a link that will send you over to the full episode with Slippy. By the way, if you want to keep learning from huge music producers, actually seeing them break down their songs, all right, not someone just recreating another song or another sound that they didn't create in the first place, then go ahead, hit the little subscribe button right below this video and the little notification bell so that you are notified every single time when we put out a new piece of content, and you can keep growing and growing as a music producer, okay? So, DAW Nation, make sure to check back here every couple of days, because we are constantly putting out more and more content that is going to help you as a music producer. So make sure to hit that like button, comment below, hit the subscribe and notification bell, and with all that out of the way, we'll see you on the next quick tip video.